What is the DTX369 program, and how does all of this science come to fruition into a program that becomes something that's so essential to overcome these challenges we're all dealing with? This is a daily transformation program in just 30, 60, or 90 days. The goal is first, reset the body, because nothing else will work until you reset the body. It is key to maximizing the benefits of any program you're about to start, including a cannabidiol program, any wellness program. You have to detox first to reset the body. And we heard some things from Dr. Titus about the power of regular detoxification leading to all of the overall health and well-being points that he made. So let's break this down. So we start with the K-Detox 30 program. Some of you are familiar with this. Some of you have been on this protocol. And it is amazing because this is what starts everything. This is the foundation that you lay when you first start any program at Canaway or elsewhere for that matter. You can take your phone and take your camera and get that QR code in the center, which will lead you to more information on K-Detox 30. So this is the first 30 days, and it is about resetting, reducing the accumulated metabolic stress and supporting the detoxification pathways. So now we have a lifestyle. Now we have a program that is going to transform our lifestyle, reset the body, restore balance, revitalize our life. And this is not one of those one-size-fits-all cleanses or detoxes. Have you done them before? Some of us are hanging out at home the whole time, just in case. This is not that. So if you have not done this yet, do not worry. This is such an easy way to integrate this into your life. And the key here is that this is a daily transformation program that begins with the first 30 days reset, the next 30 days, and the next 30 days are crucial because detox becomes a core element throughout the whole time and ongoing. And we're going to add flexibility for targeted support because we all have different needs. Some of us are here to lose weight. Some of us are trying to rid our body of toxins and other harmful things that are in our bodies and just find overall wellness. So how can the K-Detox 369 program support the body? There are 12 ways. There are 6 on this screen. Body balance, reduced inflammation, liver support. I loved what Dr. Titus said about that. Better sleep, stress regulation, digestive support, antioxidant protection, immune balance, metabolic wellness, recovery support, mental clarity, and brain health. Woo, that's a lot of benefits. And I think that we could all take advantage of those for sure. So this is a great chart to take a screenshot of. It's like a checklist. So when you're explaining this program to someone else or when you're trying to digest what this involves, this really spells it out. So the first 30 days in column 1 in blue is the reset. That's the K-Detox 30 program that consists of premium hemp oil, the herbal detox soak, the nutritionals, and anti-aging. Then you can add the targeted support products listed below depending on what your goals are. If you're trying to improve your sleep, your mood, your skin, if you're trying to lose weight, or if you're trying to deal with topical inflammation. And then we move on. After you're done with your K-Detox 30, you get into the restore stage, okay, for the next 30 days. The core elements are the non-negotiables, the things that you have to have, at bare minimum to keep going with this homeostasis and the detoxification benefits that you're receiving. And those are premium hemp oil and the herbal detox soak. And then you add the targeted support that you need to personalize this. The next 30 days are the revitalized stage, and the core elements remain the same. Those are steadfast. No matter what happens, you're always incorporating your CBD and your detox soak. Some people will be doing the detox soak weekly, some will be doing it monthly. It really depends on your individual needs, and you know that you can get those in 2-packs or 4-packs, whatever your needs are, and add your targeted support. So all in all, with this program, all of the products that are part of the K-Detox 369 and the K-Detox 30, they're all from organically grown hemp. They're all using advanced extraction methods. They're all using regenerative farming practices. They are all triple lab tested, and all of the COAs or certificates of analysis are on the Canaway website. We never use herbicides or pesticides, and they are non-GMO. And look at all of the certifications below. We are in the PDR, the Physician's Digital Reference, or Physician's Desk Reference of old, in that big book that was in your doctor's office. We're the only CBD in there with our pure gold liquid. And Banned Substances Control Group certified, U.S. Hemp Authority certified, etc. To wrap this up, I want to draw your attention to this final QR code, because you may be having questions about the products if you're not familiar with Canaway. This QR code will lead you to all of the information that you need. And please reach out to us and we can help you learn more about it, because the future of hemp and wellness is all here. It's all here. So thank you so much for having me today, and good luck on your journey.